If you already own a vacation rental here in the Myrtle Beach area and something just feels off, then this video is for you.
We've personally rented through front desk companies, large local companies, large national companies, and now we self-manage. So we've seen these issues firsthand.
And here are the biggest signs that you may have chosen the wrong rental management company.
Sign 1. You don't know what's going on with your own property. If you can't easily see bookings, income, or guest feedback, that's a problem.
You should never ever feel disconnected from your own investment.
Sign 2. Maintenance happens without your approval.
Surprise repair bills are one of the biggest complaints that we get.
That's true. You should always know who's doing the work, what it costs, and why. Sign 3. Your reviews are slipping and no one has an answer. Cleanliness complaints, slow responses, broken items, it adds up fast.
And bad reviews don't just hurt your ego, they hurt your revenue.
Sign 4. Pricing feels static or lazy.
Here in the Myrtle Beach area, pricing should change constantly.
If rates look the same all season long, you're leaving money on the table.
For sure.
Sign 5. Owner usage feels like an inconvenience to them. It's your property. You shouldn't feel guilty for wanting to use it.
Excessive restrictions, huge fees, or long notice requirements are red flags.
Sign 6. You're locked into a long contract.
Look, if the service is good, they're not going to need to trap you.
Termination fees and long notice periods protect the company, not you. Sign 7. You're constantly making excuses for them. When owners say, that's just how it is in Myrtle Beach, that's usually not true.
Good management does exist, but you just have to know where to look for it. If this video hit close to home, you're definitely not alone. We talk to owners all the time who feel frustrated, confused, or just tired of feeling like they're not in control of their own investment.
And the truth is, vacation rentals can be amazing income producers here in Myrtle Beach, but only if the management is actually doing their job.
If you're not sure whether it's time to switch companies, self-manage, or you just want somebody to take a look at what's really going on, reach out to us. We're happy to help you evaluate options and make a smart plan moving forward.
And if you found this helpful, do us a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.
We share real Myrtle Beach real estate, homeowner tips, advice, and behind-the-scenes insight so you can protect your investment and make confident decisions.
And if you're thinking about buying a vacation rental, selling one, or just want honest guidance, call us anytime.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video.